Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Roxas. The time now for convenience is exactly 56 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. The date is the 31st day of August 2020 on a Monday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around your seat for any items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please the plane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Develas and the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Please be informed that we shall continue to practice physical distancing during disembarkation. Passengers in the forward section of the aircraft shall deplane first. Our crew members will guide you on our order of disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. We appreciate your cooperation.